Turn any portrait into an authentic T-800 with battle scars, fast. Start with a high-resolution portrait and create a duplicate background layer. Apply base desaturation and contrast to flattened tones for metal mapping. Import the T-800 template overlay, align eyes and jaw, set blend to multiply. Use a soft brush on the layer mask to reveal metal beneath the skin. Quick before/after, toggle visibility to check proportion and realism. Paint battle scars using hard edge brushes, varying opacity, and jagged strokes. Add scorch marks with burn tool and overlay soot textures at low opacity. Create exposed endoskeleton, punch holes with custom brush and clip metal plates. Add red eye glow using radial gradient, set layer to linear dodge for intensity. Final grade, cinematic teal shadows, orange highlights, sharpen details and grain. Subscribe and download the presets from the description to get these templates.